we'll guide you through how to duplicate project in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Asana website. Once the website has loaded, sign into your account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, open the project that you want to duplicate. When the project page appears, locate the project drop-down menu and click it to view additional project options. From the available menu items, select Duplicate Project to begin creating a copy of the project. After selecting this option, a duplication window will appear on the screen. Enter a name for the duplicated project in the provided field. Choose a name that will help you distinguish the new project from the original one. After entering the project name, choose the project elements that you want to copy. Select the items you want included in the duplicated project, such as tasks, sections, dates, assignments, or other available project components. Once you have selected the elements to copy, review the duplication settings carefully. Check that the project name and selected options are correct before proceeding. After reviewing the settings, click Create New Project to start the duplication process. The system will begin generating a copy of the project using the selected configuration. Wait for the duplication process to complete. Depending on the size of the project, this may take a few moments. Once the duplication is finished, open the duplicated project to review its contents. Examine the copied tasks, sections, and settings to confirm that the project has been duplicated successfully. Review all project information and verify that everything appears as expected. If any adjustments are necessary, make the required changes to the duplicated project. You can edit project details, update tasks, modify dates, adjust assignments, or reorganize project content as needed.